Hello everyone, I believe that you should decorate for the holidays. But I think that's true no matter what time of year it is. I believe it is the best part of my life. Once the weather outside starts to change, the inside of your home should also slowly show those changes. But if you don't know where to begin, changing your place for fall can be hard. Sometimes it's hard not to think about the tacky fall decorations you see everywhere. But believe me, your space will look better if you choose your holiday decorations with more thought. You can use your decorations for many years, not just this season. When you decorate for fall, you want to add warmth, make the place feel welcoming, and show off your own style. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare for fall in a classy way. I'm also going to give you all the fall decorating ideas you need to make your home look classic and cozy for the season. The vibrant hues of fall. When I want to decorate carefully for fall, I look to nature for colors and things I can use. Earth tones and natural things like wheat, pine cones, wicker, and plants come to mind. An easy way to decorate for fall is to put 1 or 2 wheat wreaths in your front door. Also, put pumpkins on the steps of your front door. Many warm and inviting fall colors will greet your friends when they walk in the door. Velvet. When it comes to furniture, velvet is the big trend this fall, and we love it. Velvet is the perfect material for making a cozy, fall-ready space because it is so soft and appealing. Think of velvet layers, like the pillows and couches in the picture above, to enjoy the soft luxury of velvet. You can use brighter, cooler colors without worrying about taking away from the cozy fall feel because velvet is naturally warm and soft. Use chunky knits. You'll see knits on everything this fall, from scarves and sweaters to poofs and throw blankets. A one-color throw is comfortable and familiar, but a multicolor weave, like the knit throw above, will really show how exciting it is to see the leaves change color and the sun go down. Knit throw blankets and pillows look great in the fall, but they can also be used all year if you keep them in neutral colors like soft brown or creamy white. Retro fusion. I love this trend because it makes me feel like I'm back in the good old days of fashion. Rich, warm color schemes from the 1970s are all the rage right now. Think mustard and honey yellows, millennial pinks, dramatic reds, and lush greens. The furniture has lines that are a mix of Art Deco and Bauhaus styles. It's all based on styles from the 1920s and 1940s. What's the best way to match the style this fall? With touches of old stuff like jack-o'-lanterns, fashion, and used clothes. It will add a lot of personality, worth, and variety by making people miss the richness and glory of the past. Fall centerpieces with a twist. Traditional fall centerpieces with gourds and pumpkins are still popular in 2024, but with a modern twist, glass and metal details. Think about candlesticks made of gold or brass, pumpkins made of glass, and clay vases filled with dried flowers and pampas grass. As a holiday decoration tip, a metal tray filled with candle holders, small pumpkins, and dried flower arrangements can make your dining room table look more stylish. Bring in fall scents. It's not enough to just decorate for fall visually. You need to make the experience more than just visual. Use candles, diffusers, or essential oils with fall scents like pumpkin spice, cinnamon, and clove to make your home smell as good as it looks. Tip for decorating. Put cinnamon-scented candles or potpourri in key rooms like the living room or doorway to make people feel welcome. Wreaths and garlands for every season. A beautiful wreath or greenery is a must-have for any fall home. This year, asymmetrical wreaths with a mix of fresh and dried flowers, as well as seasonal touches like tiny pumpkins or pine cones, are very popular. To add a modern touch, use flowers made of metal hoops. They look and feel more simple, but they still capture the spirit of fall. To make your wreath stand out, put it on your front door or hang it over the top of your fireplace. You can also decorate your stairs or dinner table with garlands made of dried flowers and leaves. Combining textures to make it cozy. Adding layers of textures is the best way to make a room feel warm and welcoming. You can mix and match things like velvet cushions, chunky knit blankets, and fake fur throws. The goal is to add layers that make you want to curl up, relax, and enjoy the cozy fall weather. If you put a woven throw over your couch and add soft velvet pillows, the room will feel cozy right away. Add a textured mat to ground the space and keep your feet warm when it gets cold outside. Fall decorating is all about enjoying the warmth, coziness, and natural beauty of the season. Looking for a traditional rustic look or something a little more modern? These 2024 fall decorating ideas can help you make your home feel warm and joyful. Get your favorite fall drink, put on a warm sweater, and start decorating. Feel free to share your plans for decorating your home this fall, or let me know if you've already used any of these ideas. Have fun decorating. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment.